and welcome. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to manually pair your Samsung soundbar with the subwoofer. You may need to pair the soundbar with the subwoofer manually if they have been serviced, reset, replaced, or the automatic connection wasn't established. Now that the subwoofer is paired with the soundbar, you can enjoy an immersive audio experience. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.